one of the most popular and versatile programming languages in the world. It can be used for various purposes, such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and more. In this video, I will tell you why you should learn Python in 2023 and what are the benefits and trends of this amazing language. First of all, Python is easy to learn and fun to use. Its syntax is clear and simple, making it a great choice for beginners and experts alike. You can write less code and achieve more with Python, thanks to its rich set of libraries and frameworks that provide ready-made solutions for common problems. Python also has a great online community that offers support and guidance for learners and developers. Secondly, Python is widely used in the fields of machine learning and artificial intelligence, which are at the cutting edge of technology. Python's libraries, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, make it easy to build complex models and train them on large datasets. You can use Python to create applications that can interpret images, audio, text, and more, using the power of AI and NLP. Python also has libraries for data science, such as Pandas and NumPy, that allow you to manipulate and analyze large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. Thirdly, Python is a powerful language that can do any task. You can use Python for web development, using frameworks like Django and Flask, which make building scalable and secure web applications easy. You can also use Python for desktop applications, using libraries like PyQt and Tkinter, which provide graphical user interfaces for your programs. You can even use Python for game development, using libraries like PyGame and PyOpenGL, which enable you to create interactive and immersive games. Finally, Python is a lucrative programming language that can boost your career prospects. Python is in high demand in the job market, as many companies rely on it for their projects. According to Indeed.com, the average salary for a Python developer in the US is $120,000 per year. Moreover, Python is a versatile language that can be used in various domains and industries, giving you more opportunities to work on exciting and challenging projects. As you can see, Python is a great language to learn in 2023. It is easy to learn, fun to use, widely used, powerful, and lucrative. If you want to start learning Python today, you can check out some of the best online courses and resources available on the internet. You can also join some of the online communities and forums where you can interact with other Python enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Python. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about Python or what topics you want me to cover next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.